Hey guys, thanks for watching this week's video. Today's video we will be doing heatless curls with a bathrobe, which is very interesting to me because I've never done it before, but the results are supposed to be really good, so let's try it. So all you really need is just a bathrobe. Honestly, like, I think this is a good length, especially for me who has long hair. But if you have shorter hair, I think if you were to tie like those long socks would be okay as well. Also, like, you might need a small bobby pin just to hold the robe in place. So I'm starting off by securing the robe with the bobby pin right in the middle so that when I'm wrapping it around, it doesn't fall out. Next, I'm parting my hair into two, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. Supposedly, you're supposed to kind of start it off as if it was like a French braid without the third strand. So I'm just gonna separate my hair like this, separate it in half so that robe falls in place in the middle. So I'm gonna start by going the first piece around, and I'm not switching sides, I'm just twisting it around. And the same thing for the other one. You want to start it out tight so that the robe really does the curling. Then, just like a French braid, you want to start picking up hair as you go. So like I said before, I'm basically picking up hair like if you were to do a French braid, but because of this technique, you wouldn't take the strands and pull it over to the other side. What you're doing is pulling it under back into the same side as you're picking up the new strands. So for the sake of timing in this video, I'm speeding up this process because it's just wrapping your hair under the robe and back to the same side where you originally started. But just this one side, it took me about almost less than 5 minutes. So with practice, I'll probably get quicker with it. So you're gonna take a scrunchie and you would tie it as if it be your hair. I prefer using a scrunchie over than like one of those little plastic ones because I feel like I would break them by just twisting it. So you want to make sure it's like really solid. Okay, looks good. We're gonna do the other side. So I'm gonna again part it as if I was starting a braid, but I'm only gonna do 2 strands because technically the robe is a 3rd strand. And this is an arm workout if you can't really tell. It's an arm workout. Okay, I'm doing my front piece first and throwing it behind the robe because I don't want a curl going inwards to my face. I don't think it would frame my face well. I'm not sure how many people are gonna get this reference, but I seriously feel like I look like La India Maria with this look. If you don't know what La India Maria is, just Google it and let me know if I look like her. I'm definitely not the only one who does duck faces at the mirror. I look like somebody from Star Wars, honestly. This is hilarious. Okay, so I just want to make sure that the curls are gonna be like nice and curly. I'm just gonna wrap one here. Okay, hold it around the arm. Oh shoot, did I do? Okay, I see what I did. Alright. And I'm just literally gonna wrap it around here. Okay. Alright. Oh my gosh. It should look like that. Hopefully it stays. Alright, let me tuck this in so I don't scare anybody. I'm probably gonna go FaceTime my boyfriend right now and show him my new hairstyle. See what he thinks. Alright, so it is the next day. I slept with it, and honestly, it kind of bothered me a little. I would say 8 out of 10 I slept well with this thing. I mean, it didn't come undone, and that was a good thing. Untie it here. Oh god. I'm gonna take this side out here. Let's see if I can fix it. And I'm gonna like make sure that the curls I'm gonna undo is gonna be, let's say, like, keep its shape. Just unwrap it. Oh man. Okay, so that is what it looks like fresh out. So I'm just gonna like run my fingers through it and style it a little. So I'm turning around to show you guys what it looks like from the back. So I kind of fixed my curls, the curls on this side mostly, that were a little flat with my wand, just a few strands. I know this is supposed to be a heatless curl, but I'm not planning on washing my hair again because, you know, it was flat. I think it's just fixing a little few hair pieces here and there. It's not that bad. But ideally, you shouldn't be putting that much heat on your hair. I just cut my hair not too long ago and it was like really dead and dry because I would use so much heat. But I would say the final verdict of this whole heatless curl technique, I like it. I think the more practice I put into it, the better the result. I think where I failed was I used too many big pieces. The bigger hair pieces you put into the wrap, the less of a curl you'll get. So here you kind of get like a wave, but here at top there's more of a curl. So next time I'll use less hair pieces. Yeah, I kind of like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Practice does make perfect. I just wanted to show you guys how things came out, the first time doing this. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.